Working with rows and columns. Sometimes we need to add extra row and columns in the worksheet to add some extra information. Steps to insert a new row. Click on the row above or below which you want to insert a new row. Right-click on the row. Choose Insert option and then choose Entire Row option. The row will be inserted. Steps to insert a new column. Click on the column on left or right of which you want to insert a new column. Right-click on the column. Choose Insert option and then choose Entire Column option. The column will be inserted. Deleting row and columns. When we need to delete row and columns, we need to follow the following steps. Steps to delete a row. Right-click on the row which you want to delete. Choose the option Delete. Click on the entire row. The row will be deleted. Steps to delete a column. Right-click on the column that you want to delete. Choose the option Delete. Click on the entire column. The column will be deleted.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.